Presentation for Dr. T.S. Sudarshan, President and CEO, Materials Modifications, USA. Dr. T.S. Sudarshan obtained his B.Tech in Metallurgy from IIT Madras in 1976 and later completed his MS and PhD in Materials Engineering Science at Virginia Tech, USA. He worked at Ashok Leyland as a senior metallurgist and established a modern metallurgical laboratory and managed various research programs. Sudarshan is currently the President and CEO of Materials Modification, which is at the forefront research, development and commercialization of advanced materials utilizing novel processing techniques. He has demonstrated technological leadership for over 3 decades and has worked extensively throughout his career in the areas of nanotechnology and surface engineering, for which he is very well known throughout the world. He has patented and developed self-lubricating automotive product that is used internationally, also nanogen and plasma pressure compaction, for which he holds several patents. He has developed products to control and stop bleeding, Grocolate for the US Army and Silvermate for mitigating burns, and Garrett suits for protection from gamma radiation. Through his leadership, he has raised over $60 billion in funding very high risk, high payoff advanced technology related programs in several non-traditional areas. Dr. Sudarshan is a fellow of ASM International, USA, fellow of International Federation of Heat Treatment and Surface Engineering, UK, and fellow of Institute of Mining, Metals and Materials, UK. He was the winner of the R&D 100 Award for Nanogen 1998, the Design News Award, and R&D 100 Award for Plasma Pressure Compaction 1999. He was recognized as Outstanding Young Manufacturing Engineer by the Society of Manufacturing Engineers in 1990. Dr. Sudarshan has published over 170 papers, edited 29 books, is the editor of 2 international journals, Surface Engineering and Materials and Manufacturing Processes, for more than 2 decades and holds numerous patents. In recognition of Dr. T.S. Sudarshan professional accomplishments and entrepreneurial excellence, IIT Madras and its alumni are proud to confer him this award.
Dear Appa, you're 86, soon to be 87, and probably the eldest in this room. Respected Professor Ramurthy, respected Professor Kamaraj, respected Aditi, Mr. Chandar, respected DAs, mature colleagues, and young friends. Words fail me. An alumni moment is what everybody dreams about, but when it appears, you don't have glasses, you don't have notes, you don't have teleprompters, it's just me spouting what I want. And that's the way I liked it to be. I think life has been very kind to me, and as I look back at the times that I've spent at this institute and the things that I've learned, it has been nothing short of amazing. First, I want to start by thanking my father for being my pillar, for encouraging me at every step, and for always making me reach goals that I thought were unattainable. And most importantly, he always believed that the best years are ahead of you, never behind you. I define him as the optimist. My mother just gave me one simple word: compassion. She said, that'll carry you everywhere and anywhere. And she always said, treat others the way you want to be treated. That sort of summed it up all. My wife who has been my backbone and supported me through all my entrepreneurship. She could not be here today, Chitra, and my daughter, for their tremendous understanding of all the difficult moments I've had through my entrepreneurship and my ups and downs and successes and joys and failures. But at every stage, they always egged me on and said, "You can do it." And to them, I owe a deep sense of gratitude forever. To my two brothers, Srivatsan and Suresh, who are my cheerleaders and who have always been looking up to me and saying, "You got to achieve more. You're not done yet." In fact, that's what they told me just a few days ago when they sent me here, because both of them were very proud that I could be recognized, and especially because I was a lone entrepreneur from my department. I also have two wonderful cousins here in the audience, Lakshmi and Chitra, who are here to support me and who also are my cheerleaders and who care and have given me tremendous amount of affection over the years. For that, I'm eternally grateful. The most important thing in life is to be able to have people around you who make the difference. To me, all these people have made nothing short of a humongous difference, and that's what made me achieve all the things I have thus far. My entry into IIT at the age of 15 was nothing spectacular. My first visit was to the NCC building for my interview. With an All India rank of 1099, my dream was set on becoming a mechanical engineer. At 1090, mechanical engineer in Chennai closed. I was on the wait list. I was very disheartened. The choices given to me were chemical, aerospace, civil, or metallurgy. I didn't care for aerospace or civil. I knew very little about chemical, so I chose metallurgy. That evening, when I went back home, my uncle sat me down and gave me one of the best lectures that any young man could have. He assured me that I had chosen a great field, that Salem Steel Plant was about to be commissioned and to make stainless steel. Buruka and Bokaro and Bhilai were in their second phase of expansion. Visakhapatnam was on the drawing boards, and India would have nothing but a glorious future in metallurgy. Of course, at that time, I didn't believe him, but I have morphed myself from being a metallurgist to a materials engineer to a materials scientist, and for that, I'm eternally grateful for his advice. Now on to your mature folks. I know a lot of you are mentors, mentors to your children, mentors to your nephews, mentors to your nieces, and mentors to other friends of the family. I leave you with some expressions that I have formulated in my life, which I've used as I have mentored over 170 students. To encourage a student is probably the most difficult thing, and I know that every professor here does this every single day. But to carry them beyond the education to the next threshold of real life is an even bigger challenge, and to give them the confidence that they can do what they set out to do and do it well. So I share with you 5 expressions that I think will make a meaningful difference. Vision is the father of thought. Education is the path to prosperity. Discipline is the architect of direction. Attitude is all that matters. And sharing is the ultimate in satisfaction. If you took the first letters of those words, they spell out to be the Vedas, and these are timeless truths. And to my young friends in the audience, I am envious of you. I would like to know all that I know now and be your age. The new fields that are coming about, whether it's analytics, big data, 3D printing, molecular imaging, stem cell therapy, and numerous others, are all areas where any one of you can shine. The basics that IIT gives you is nothing short of the best. And if you apply yourself, I am very sure that you all will be up on this dais to receive your awards, because I think that there is no limit to achievements. I dare you to dream. It is your sovereign right to dream. And more than anything else, I want you to volunteer and show your volunteerism in way, whether it is to the family, to your parents, to your relatives, or to the community, or even your friends, because that carries you a long way. And finally, I want to say something that's very sentimental to me on this award. My uncle died on 26 January 2006. This award was announced on 26 January. I'm just overwhelmed with emotion because his undying affection for me has made sure that I have received this award. And for this, I am truly blessed. Thank you.